You don't see this one much.
Nope. It's a very specific stretch. We're gonna find right where it's pulling here. Feel it pulling all the way into the feet there. Come on back, just a tiny bit more here. Good. There we go. Right there. It's pulling all the way down. Good. Take a deep breath in here. All the way up.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
That felt good.
There, yep.
It's hard to do that by yourself. Yeah, I felt something. You're starting out with my favorite too.
Yep. And the shoulders drop. Side drop too. There we go. Ready again here. Reach there. Catch it there. Look to the left. Good. Come on back to the wall. Shoulders back first. So get those rib chops in. There we go.